Hi everybody, it is lunchtime here in Antalya, Turkey. As you can see, it is raining like crazy out there. It is cold and wet. I am hungry, but I'm not going out in this weather. So I am staying home and cook me some fish. Look at this rain. Wow. This is what we are having for lunch. This is a red striped mullet, or the Turkish, and I hope I am saying this right. In Turkish they call it Tekir, which is a red striped mullet. So the way they cook it here, they just clean them up, put them in a deep fryer, and off we go. So I am going to do just that. So it should be easy. I'm going to try this and see. First I am going to do is I'm going to wash them in salt water. I don't know if this is the right way to wash the fish, but this is how I do it. So I'm going to put these little guys in here and just let them marinate a little bit, clean them up a little bit. I'm taking them out, dry them up. All right, guys, I'm putting some more in here. Get the fire going. All right, we'll wait. Yeah, baby. All right, it smells really, really good, actually. I am waiting. We'll wait about 3 to 4 minutes before I flip those suckers over. This is what happens when you flip them a little early. They will literally break in half. So we'll wait a little more. I have a lot of problems. One of my problems is I am not patient. My wife always lectures me about that. And you know what? She is right. We're just gonna have to keep waiting. Well, all right, I think we are ready to try this. Here. With some Turkish tea, and gotta have my wine. I have to have my wine. All right. It is so good. It is crunchy, it is sweet. There's no fishy smell. You can taste a little bit of the ocean. And I love the head. Home-cooked lunch in Antalya. Thank you for watching, and I hope I didn't bore you guys. I love this country. I love this country.